MetaTrader 4, your world in your pocket. Imagine having the entire financial market at your fingertips, accessible anytime, anywhere. The world never sleeps, neither do markets. In this fast-paced environment, staying connected is crucial. MetaTrader 4, or MT4, on mobile puts the power of trading in your hand, anytime, anywhere. With just a few taps, you can monitor and execute trades seamlessly. No need to be chained to a desk. React to opportunities instantly. Stay ahead of the curve by making informed decisions on the go. MT4 on mobile is essential for the modern trader. Analyze charts, track market trends, and manage your portfolio with ease. This guide helps you master MT4 on mobile. We cover the basics and beyond. Learn how to navigate the app, set up alerts, and customize your trading experience. Whether you're a novice or seasoned trader, this guide has something for you. Join a community of traders who are leveraging the power of mobile trading to achieve their financial goals. Getting started. Installation and login. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the essential steps to get your MetaTrader 4 app up and running on your mobile device. First things first, download the app from your respective app store. It's available for both Android and iOS platforms, ensuring compatibility with most smartphones. Simply search for MetaTrader 4 in your App Store's search bar. Download and install it on your device by following the on-screen instructions. The installation process is quick and easy, taking just a few moments. Once installed, locate the app on your home screen and open it. You'll need your trading account details to log in and start trading. These details were provided by your broker when you signed up. Enter your login credentials carefully. Congratulations! You're now ready to explore the world of mobile trading with MetaTrader 4. Enjoy the seamless trading experience. Making your move. Opening and managing trades. The heart of trading is opening and managing positions. This is where strategy meets execution. MT4 on mobile makes this seamless, providing a user-friendly interface. Select quotes to view available instruments. This is your gateway to the market. Choose your asset currencies, commodities, or indices. Each offers unique opportunities. Tap the asset you want to trade. Choose New Order to proceed. Specify your trade parameters. Buy or sell, volume and order type. Precision is key. MT4 Mobile offers market execution and pending orders, giving you flexibility in your trading strategy. Monitoring open trades is crucial. MT4 Mobile lets you track your positions in real time. Simply go to the Trade tab. Here, you can see your open trades, profits and losses. Manage your risk with stop loss and take profit orders. These automatically close your trade at predetermined levels. You can set these orders when you open a trade or modify them later. Mobile trading relies on a stable internet connection. Use Wi-Fi for the most reliable experience and avoid trading in areas with weak signals. Enable notifications to stay informed. MT4 can alert you about price movements, economic events, and more. Customize notifications to match your trading style and risk tolerance.